All right. So once again, we are back here, and a lot of you have been giving me requests on Facebook. You have been sending me questions. Why did I stop making these videos? I did not stop. Actually, I got busy with munafasutra.com. If you have been using the website munafasutra.com lately, you would have seen that it has a lot of new features, especially in intraday and in futures and options, and a lot of new charts and a lot of new screeners. A lot of new screeners are there on the website. These screeners are for daily data, weekly data, and even monthly data. A lot of these screeners are there. Check those out. You're going to love it. So, anyways, the reason I'm making these videos is every day on Facebook you have 100 people posting a lot of tips. Lot of tips. They'll post a lot of tips. They won't give you a reason why they think the stock is good. They will not tell you a reason. All they'll do is they'll post an image at the maximum. Sometimes not even that. 100 people are posting 3 or 4 shares daily on Facebook. It's like one fourth of National Stock Exchange is getting posted on Facebook every day as tips. That is what I'm going to do here. I'm not going to give you any tip here. What I'll do is I'll give you the stock where I am putting my money in. I'll tell you the name of the stock, I'll tell you the stop loss, I'll tell you the target of the share where I am going to invest tomorrow, or I have already done it today. Check the date on the video. I'm going to try and put a video every week at least. At least one video with 1 or 2 shares where I expect that it's going to give me a 5 to 10% return within a week or 10 days. Those kind of shares. And I'm going to try and do this every week. There's one more thing I wanted to tell you that these videos are no way a recommendation of a share or a tip. It's just that I'm going to put my money in it. If you want, you can too, but that is only if you like it and you think that my analysis is correct. Otherwise, don't do it. This is not a recommendation. This is not a tip. The second reason why I'm making this video is so that when you look at the charts of a particular share, you would know what is it that I found was good enough to put my money in the stock. So now, basically you will learn something while you're watching these videos, and then you can use that same knowledge, the same experiment with other shares. You can experiment with some other shares. So all right, let's begin. Look at the stock to the left, chart on the left. This is PVR, the movie hall business PVR. Now I think that the stock has made a very nice bottom at 1500. Actually 1400 was the bottom that was made, and very recently it gave us a breakout at somewhere around 1500. Actually, it has been a little late to put our money in the stock, but still, I think that there's some 5 to 10% upside left in the share. I should have actually caught this share last week, but I did not have the scanner. I made the scanner this Sunday. So this particular share came up in the scanner. So I checked the charts and I'm discussing the charts here with you. So anyways, it made a bottom at 1400 and it gave us a breakout at 1500. It's currently trading somewhere in the middle, 1560, 1570. It's trading near those levels. And I think near-term targets for the share could be somewhere around 1610 or 1620 within a week or so. So I'm going to use a stop loss of 1500 and put my money in the share for a target of 1610. This is PVR. PVR, the movie hall business. Now look at the chart towards the right. This is Shriram Transport Finance. A beautiful double bottom pattern is there. Has a support at somewhere around 950. That is the bottom of the double bottoms. And the neckline is at 1021. The share is currently trading at 995 rupees. Breakout has not there been yet. Okay, you can actually wait for a breakout above 1021, or I can actually put my money right here. So I'm going to take a little bit of risk here. The downside is very limited, 950 is what I think is going to be the stop, and that I'm going to use 950 as a stop loss. And I'm going to put my money in here, trying to catch the double bottom a little sooner than the breakout itself for a target of 1021. And if I get a breakout above 1021, I'm going to stay invested in the share for a target of 1100 rupees. So that's more than 10% in this share, and I think that this move will happen within the next 7 to 10 days. I think so that's not bad. 10%, 10 days, not bad. These are the two shares we are doing. Now, once again, I like to point out this is no way a recommendation or a tip. It's just that I found these stocks today using one of the scanners on munafasutra.com, and then I checked the charts. I actually found a lot of other shares as well, but these two I thought were looking very good. So I selected these two for investment. Both of these shares are listed in futures and options. I'm not going to put my money in futures and options on PVR. Looks very risky there. The strike prices are very far away from each other. So I'm not going to put my money in PVR in futures and options. I'm going to trade in cash in PVR. But in Shriram Transport and Finance, the strike prices are not very far away from each other. 20 points difference only. 980 and then 1000 and then 1020. These are the strike prices there. So I can actually take a call in PVR for possibly a strike price of 1000. And I think that once it goes to 1021, you can strike, square off that particular call and then take a new position with 1021. Or alternatively, you can keep holding a strike of 1000 and wait for the targets of 1100. But remember, when you are working in options, don't wait too long, because if you wait too long, time decay is going to eat up your profits. Read the Munafas stock market material for details of how to trade in futures and options market. Don't don't be a silly investor in futures and market or futures and options, because that is one place where you can really very quickly erode your money away. So anyway, this is all for this video. Once again, I'm going to repeat both the stocks in Hindi and in English for all of you. In English first, stop loss for PVR is 1500 rupees for a target of 1610, 1620 rupees. And stop loss for Shriram Transport Finance is 950 rupees for a target, for first target of 1020 and the second target of 1100 rupees. अब हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ. पीवीआर में 1500 का स्टॉप लॉस लगा के मैं इन्वेस्ट करने वाला हूँ 1610 1620 के टारगेट के लिए. और श्रीराम ट्रांसपोर्ट फाइनेंस में मैं इन्वेस्ट करने वाला हूँ 950 का स्टॉप लॉस लगा के कितना पहला टारगेट 1020, दूसरा 1100 के लिए. श्रीराम ट्रांसपोर्ट फाइनेंस में मुझे डबल बॉटम का पैटर्न दिखा है, और इसमें पीवीआर में मुझे एक रिकवरी रिवर्सल कैंडल दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे जो नीचे इसका कैंडल बना है 1400 पे, वो रिवर्सल कैंडल है वहाँ पे, वो दिख रहा है. और उसके ऊपर एक 1500 के ऊपर फिर से एक ब्रेकआउट दिख रहा है. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि 1500 के नीचे नहीं जाने वाला, पर फिर भी इसमें स्टॉप लॉस हम हर हाल में यूज़ करेंगे ही करेंगे. तो अगले वीक फिर से एक इसी तरह का एक वीडियो लेके आने की कोशिश करूंगा मैं, जिसमें फिर से 2 स्टॉक्स के बारे में बताऊंगा. ये इन शेयरों में पैसे मतलब समझो 7 दिन 10 दिन के हिसाब से लगा रहा हूँ, और अगले वीक फिर से एक वीडियो लाने की कोशिश करूंगा. आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई and put a new video every week with one or two stocks at least, which I think will give me a profit of at least 5 to 10% within the next 7 to 10 days. And I'll give you reasons. मैं आपको reasons भी दूंगा why I think the stock is good. फिर उसके बाद आपकी मर्जी, आपको ठीक लगता है तो आप भी लगा सकते हो, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं, कोई रिकमेंडेशन नहीं है, कोई टिप नहीं है. Alright, I'll see you on munafasutra.com. Have a nice day. Enjoy.